So hello guys, welcome back to the second part of the model video stuff. I will do some riding the trains on the camera, but all the phone or something, but we're going to have to kind of watch that to cancel that and see if I can actually do that somehow. But, you know, I can find choices in my life that work for me, but sometimes not necessarily people like because you know, it's perfect. And sometimes you have to choose to, now, perfectly working at a market person, oops, maybe let's change the camera again. I've got some of that on the way, so the camera should be on the way with it. I'm not sure it's good on this phone, the guide rules which are facing more good. Just most of the front and the back is pretty well. So you have to work with that most of the front. But even most of it's quite old in both of them, but some of them are more heavy handed than others. These tip over again, right? See how close that is in that corner? That corner is always covered. Always covered. Everyone could tell. I told the 47 suddenly sped up and then we just went round the corner without any issues at all. Literally. Oh, crikey. You really waxed the signs before them, didn't you? Honestly, I think the 47 just hit it in the angle and it just derailed. But also in the process, it's also it also has knocked the track out of place from the where it goes through the tunnel. So we're going to have to move that in a second so we can run the locomotive. Come on, try and be filming. You are connected all the way through, so you might as well get yourself moving again. It might be the engine hot, but she's moving now. Come on. She's being a coward now. Train's being a coward. See what I mean? She will go, and then she'll... Come on. Let me go forward now. She does have a habit of just cutting out randomly at times, but most of the time she's fine. And then this does happen, and she just comes in the corner and then decides to not work anymore. Let's just keep her get her engine keepers going as long as possible on that train, because it does cut out at certain points through the layout and it just completely just randomly just not want to move anymore. Which is a bit odd, but yeah. Anyway, tomorrow's video, guys, we're just going to be getting ready for a big set of new GTA 5 video gameplay, I think. Yeah, so it'll be on Tuesday. Actually, sure, it could be Tuesday. I'm not 100% sure, guys, but I know it'll be on one of the days. The motor is a little bit funny today. It's not doing it all now. She probably needs a rest because I've probably got her engine too up. And she did just have an oil, so she's probably just been building an oil and go under. So I can show you just a quick into what I did the Class 87 today. A very short time before I started cooking food up for me and my mum. I just did a little bit of work on this. It's a temporary pantograph. It doesn't go up or anything, but it does just can't really do it. So if I could sit down, guys, just before we can do anything else, is to push it back into place, and I have snapped the frame back into the wheel place. Yeah, I have snapped it, guys, completely. So if it snaps, it needs to be put back into place. Which is pantograph. It's pushed down right now, but you can push it up to make it look like it's real. But again, it's just something I put there for display use more than anything else. So to try and reform this off, we can run the Class 87 once we can get her wheels lined up. And she is actually connected. I can't see anything up there. Is she connected? There we go. Here comes the 87, guys. Just on her own, not with anything. She's just coming on her own. Wiggly wiggly. And I'm going to try and get a close up of her when she comes around. She's a nice train, guys. I really recommend it. I recommend getting the Class 87 when you've got some money spare, because it is a very nice train. Even if you set it for day or night settings for it, it's really nice. Currently it's for night settings. Should we do some night shots with her? So you can see the lights better, guys. So I'm really tempted to just do some night settings with her. So let's move that out of the way and just clear up this section here. And we're just going to do some close-up shots with her. And I think that'd be good. But tonight, just to run her on her own, maybe one side with the 47 or something. They both have really nice lights, so most of my trains don't have LEDs, but most of them have halogen lights on their front and back. But pretty good otherwise. It's still going well. It's just idling at the moment with the engine, so hopefully we'll get the Batman Class 47 on the track. You know, it's not in the best condition, the Batman Class 47, but still one of my favourite locos. One of my most favourite diesels. You're looking at my favourite electric. Yeah, I need to fix the switch box on the Class 47. I still haven't put it on. I need to do that tomorrow. To put that on. Whatever glue I've got left for the for that little bit. I think I've got just about enough to use for this. So I'm going to just take her off. The Tri model that is, and we're going to connect the Batman Class 47 with our train. My little train anyway. It's not anything big, it's just a little. Coming through. Probably nothing will be on that train, because I really like that diesel 47 by Batman. It's a wonderful train. There's a bogey on it, it's just not quite good enough to run around on that. in a track where it's wibbly and someone's taken away these curves or whatever. If she comes again. It's been a while since she last run, but if she was running properly on that track,